Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, we will break down for you how you can select all slides in your PowerPoint presentation, for example, to edit them all at once. It is very simple, guys, so let me show you how to do that really quickly. Head over to your PowerPoint presentation, and here on the left-hand side, guys, you will see an overview of all associated slides to your presentation, which in this case here is, as you can see, that presentation features 14 slides. So I would like to bulk select all of them at once. To do that, left click on the uppermost slide, and after that simply use the shortcut Ctrl-A on your keyboard, and that is going to bulk select all 14, in this case here 14 slides per presentation. So now guys, if I for example right click on one of these slides and select delete slide, the entirety of these slides will be deleted because I have selected all of them at once. So that's basically it. Let me undo this really quickly. The second trick, guys, is, for example, let's say you would like to select not all slides, but let's say multiple of them scattered around here, like let's say slide 1, slide 4, slide 7, all at once. And there's a simple trick how you may do that. So simply left click on the first slide you would like to select, and after that press and hold left Control on your keyboard and select the remaining slides with your left mouse. So let me go with slide number 4, slide number 7, and slide number 10. And that is going to select all of these 4 slides, 1, 4, 7, and 10. And you can repeat the same process, right click, delete slide, and delete the selected slides. And that's how it works, guys. As you can see, super simple. Let me undo this. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.